Hey guys, so here's the sour cream, and I'll put the amounts that I used in the description below. So it's basically about 2 cups of raw cashews soaked overnight, and about half to 2/3 a cup of water, and you can vary it depending on how creamy you want it, how thin or thick you want it. And I used a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I didn't put any lemon juice in it. You can also add that. I put a pinch of salt. You can add onion powder, chives, like a teaspoon of those, and you can totally do it to taste. If you want it a little more soury, you can put a little bit more apple cider vinegar. So sometimes even the next day, if it doesn't have that tanginess, I'll put a little bit more apple cider vinegar and just mix it in or whatever. So hopefully that just gives you a base, and then you can tweak it and add whatever else you guys want. And yeah, you can put it on pierogies, onion potato pierogies, potatoes. Now with the starch solution type thing, we don't do a lot of overt fats, but if you've managed your weight for a while and you want to have a little bit of something different once in a while, or if you have a gathering or something like that, it's up to you. But I'm just doing it here and there just for fun, and it's really nice. I kind of like it better than the soy. I was using silken tofu, and so the cashews are pretty they don't have a lot of strong tastes. So sometimes the soy, for certain people, they don't like some of the taste. But usually when you add, like even with the silken tofu, you add the vinegar or whatever, that tends to take the edge off the soy flavor of the tofu if you're not into that. So, but anyways, hope you guys like that, and let me know what you put it on. And if you try it, let me know. See you later.